Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Itlab Genius. In today's session, we are taking a chapter 4th of recently launched Excel 2022 course, focusing on XP22 Excel chapter 4 HOE toystore. You can contact me for your assignment, exams, quizzes, or for complete course. I will guide you through this assignment step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done by your assignment watching this video. Here is project description. You can see here project description to get idea about your project. Now moving on to step number 1. Okay, first you can see project description XP22 Excel chapter 4 HOE twice. Moving on step number 1. Step number 1 is about start Excel workbook. You can download Excel workbook from your Itlab dashboard. I have already downloaded. You can see here. Start Excel download. Okay. Now moving on step number 2. Step number 2 is that you would like to set page break. Okay, modify the existing page break to ensure the 6/3 and 6/24 transaction date prints on the same page. Basically, in this step, we will have to page break modify. We will have to modify the existing page break to ensure 6/3 and 6/24 transaction date print on the same page. Go to Excel workbook. Go to page break view. First we select this data. Okay, page break. First we select first data and second data here. Okay, on the same page, transaction print, text print on the same page. Okay, first step number 2 is done. Now moving on step number 3. Step number 3 is just create a copy of June total worksheet and name it June 1st total. Basically, in this step, we will create a copy of June total worksheet and name it June 1st. Go to Excel workbook. Okay, first we create a copy of this sheet. Now create a copy. Now we will name it June 1st total. We will rename this. First we copy this data, this title, this name, and rename total June's. Okay, June 1st total, rename June 1st total as a. Okay, step number 3 is done. Now I have done 3 steps of this time. Moving on step number 4. Step number 4 is that set the title in row 5 and column A to B to repeat when printed. Additionally, set the print order to print over the down. Okay, go to Excel workbook. Go to June totals. June 1st total and June total. Okay. Go to the page layout. Okay, go to sheet and row to repeat as a top. Okay, we select repeat row 5 and column A to B. Repeat and print. Additionally, set the print order to print over then down. Okay, over then down. Okay, it will be done. You can see here. Step number 4 is done now. Step number 4 is completed now. Moving on step number 5. Step number 5 is that convert the range A5 to K100, 110 to a table. Be sure to include column labels, name the table to total and apply the table style light yellow, light style light 19. Basically in this step we will convert the data into table. Go to Excel workbook. First we will select the ranges. All data selected. Now it will be converted to data. Go to insert and go to table. It will be converted into table. Name the table total. We will have to change the name of table into total. Table 2 to totals. Okay, it will be changed. And we will apply the table style light is yellow, table style light 19. Okay, basically in this step we will have to change the table style. Go to the table design and go to the designs. Here's the light yellow, table style 19. Okay, it will be applied. I have done 5 steps of this assignment. Now moving on step number 6. Step number 6 is that delete the sales first column from the table. Basically in this step we will have to delete the sales first column of the table. Okay, click on sales table column and right click and delete it. Okay, it will be deleted. Okay, I have done 6 steps of this assignment. Now moving on to step number 7. Step number 7 is that tab rebate in cell K5 and odd in cell L5. Set the weight of column I to J to auto fit. Okay, basically in this step we will tab rebate in cell K5. We will tab the data in cell K5 to rebate. Okay, and odd in L5. We will put the data odd in L5. Okay, go to formula bar and pay tab and odd. Set the weight of columns I to J to auto fit. We will change the weight of column I to J. Select column I to J and change the weight of this column. Oh, no, for go to the format and auto fit. Okay, it will be applying on auto fit. Now I have done 7 steps of this assignments. Now moving on to step number 8. Okay, 7 step is completed now. Now moving on step number 8. Step number 8 is that insert a row in the table at row 73 and row 112 to enter the following records. Row 30, 73, 20, 20. Go to Excel workbook. Go to the row 73 and insert a new row. And row 112, go to the row 112 here is 112. Insert. Okay, it will be inserted and enter the following records. Row 73 is 2024-068. Okay, we will put all this data in row 73. Okay, you can copy this data and paste into row 73. 622, go to formula bar and type it or paste it. Okay, copy Shaw and paste into row 73 column. Copy the full weights and type it. Now copy the 1014, go to the Excel workbook and paste it. Now copy the metal and paste it. Now copy the store credit, paste it or type it, row 73 and column A tab. Copy the standard and go to the Excel workbook and type in quality column and 4 and go to the Excel workbook and row 73 and column quality, copy the 16.99, go to the Excel workbook, row 75 and column problem price. Okay, that step is completed now. Now row 112, copy this data and go to the row 112, first column A and paste it. Now copy the 6/30/2024 and go to the Excel workbook, paste it. MC go in and go to the Excel workbook and type it this 112 row and this column action figures. Type this of this and type in here. Okay, now go to the instruction, then 10:15. Go to the Excel workbook and type in this column rows 112 metal, paste here. Okay, stored credit, go to the promotions, copy this promotion and go to the Excel workbook and type 112 row and column straps and 1 and go to the Excel workbook, copy this and go to the Excel workbook and row 112 and column quality, paste it and 13.49 and row 112 and paste here. Now all data you will be paste in row 73 and row 112. Okay, I have done 8 steps of this assignment. Now moving on to step number 9. Okay, step number 9 is that remove all duplicates value from the totals table. Okay, basically in this step we will have to remove all duplicates value. Okay, first we select all table, then we will go to table design and remove duplicates. Okay, 2 duplicate value found. Okay, it will be remove duplicates records. Okay, I have done 9 steps of this assignment. Now moving on step number 10. Step number 10 is that enter an if statement in cell K6 to determine the customer rebate. If the value in H6 is equal to promotion, the customer will receive and 10% rebate on the total purchase price multiplied by quality rebate. If they are not eligible for function should return 0, be sure to use the appropriate structure reference and then use the fail and go to the Excel workbook, click on rebate table is equal to purchase price multiplying by quality, purchase price multiplying by quality multiplying by rebate. Okay, multiplying by rebate. Okay, rebate. It will be sorry multiplying by rebate. Okay, multiplying by transfer. No formula is that. Go to the same formula. Purchase price multiplied by quality multiplying by rebate. Now I have done 10 steps of this assignment. Now moving on step number 11. Step number 11 does enter a formula using structure reference in all cells L6 to calculate the total load. The total load is the purchase price multiplied by quantity minus rebate. Go to Excel workbook, click on L 6. Create enter a formula. Purchase price multiplying by quality. Purchase price multiplying by quality multiplying by minus by rebate. Subtract rebate minus. I have done 11 step of this assignment. Now moving on step number 12. Step number 12 is add a total row to existing table and set the rebate and quality subtotal to sum. Basically in this step we will have to add a total row. Go to Excel workbook and go table design and total row. It will be you can see here add a some of this value. I have done 12 steps of this assignment. For remaining steps or you want to deal for complete course, you can contact me through my WhatsApp and email. I will available for 24 hours. I will available your help. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my videos. Thank you so much. Best of luck.